So it's Tuesday the 11th of August 2026. I thought I'd give you a little update on my patio. So let me just walk you through from the kitchen. This is my kitchen door. Just thought I'd show that. It's constant joy for me putting this glass on glass a few years ago. If you want to know, I can send you a link. This is the back mosaic. This is the first mosaic I did in the house. It all began here, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, here's what the patio embellishments look like so far. So what I did was I chiselled out the mortar and sand. It was very easy to do actually because, well, not only because it's 10 years old, but it's just a brush-in sand that was used by Jason the builder 10 years ago. So what I did was I measured first what glass tiles I could use. I mean, this lot I cut up in half years ago, so they fit perfectly. I'm not necessarily going to do all of them, but I'm just going to do a little bit at a time. I would do more this summer, but it's so hot, and it's going to be up to about 34 degrees this week apparently. So this is what it looks like so far, and of course when the rains come it'll look gorgeous. I've done a tidy up of my my pantry, and I found this lovely glass embellishment. They might fade, but they might be all right. And here's part of a sheet of red gorgeousness. So like I say, I measure out, so if they fit within the shape, then I'll pop them in. If they don't, then I won't do that. Just being very mindful. It's my glass table. Let me show you what it looks like at the top. In fact, I can walk you up to the top. There we go. Look at this mad in Bearwood. Okay, let me just walk you through the garden. I did this embellishment of the patio first, and this is well over 10 years old. I think I did it in 2014 actually with Bal Max Flex Fibre. So the other stuff is a fast setting Evo stick in grey. This Bal Max Flex Fibre was in grey back in the day, but these days they only do it in white. So this is what the work looks like so far. Let me show you the shed, because it'd be rude not to. This is the shed of requirement. It's a little peacock. Yeah, so this is where I hang out all my tiles, my spare tiles. So it's Caroline Jerrywalla, Mango Mosaics. Find me on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. See you soon. Bye.